Don't go nearby Loki.
ఎక్కడుంది? ನಾವೀಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಡೆವಿಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ನಯಾಗ್ರಾ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಡೌನಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆವರೆಗೂ. ನಾವು ಜೆಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದುವೇ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡೆವಿಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲು ನಯಾಗ್ರಾ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಟ್ರೈಲ್ಸ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ಸೊ ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಜೆಟ್ ಬೋಟ್ ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಯಾಗ್ರಾ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಬೋಟ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಬೋಟು
No.
Don't go nearby Loki.
ఎక్కడుంది?
That's some baby come. You see that?
Where is the Devil's Hole?
This way, so you guys passed it. So when you come down, Devil's Hole is like the staircase. But sometimes people associate it with like the cave that's there. When you go, it's like on the top left. When you're walking this way, it's on the top right if you're going back this way. It's just a cave. You go in it. It's got like some water coming down. It's got some cool air and it smells terrible. Left. It's hard to see because all the rocks fell down, and it's like literally over the rocks. So you kind of have to know where it is, sort of. It's like up a path to the left that goes down into the cave.
And he's right. It does smell terrible.
Yeah, it's.
You got to come back.
It'll take you, yeah, it'll take you about a mile and a half that way.
Everything is